Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Roblox application on your tablet quickly and safely. Whether you are using an Android tablet or an iPad, this guide will help you step by step so you can start playing Roblox with your friends in no time. First of all, unlock your tablet and get connected to a Wi-Fi. Next, open up Play Store. Go to the search icon at the bottom and type down Roblox and search. Look for the Roblox application from Roblox Corporation and tap install. Now all you need to do is to wait for the app to download. Depending upon your internet speed, it might take a while for the download process. After the download is done, you will be able to use Roblox on your tablet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss future gaming guides. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.